how to fix your mic on Fortnite. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name of Hemi Jarvis. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix your mic on Fortnite so that you can hear your audio and you can also speak into the microphone. All right. Now, I'm doing this on the PlayStation 4 console. So be sure to watch this entire video to the end. Also, guys, I just want to let y'all know, boom, I got gift cards. I do gift card giveaways here on my YouTube channel. If you're interested in getting you a Xbox Live Gold gift card or a PlayStation Store gift card, all you have to do is show up to the giveaways when I go live here on YouTube. All right. I'm going to try to do a giveaway at least once a month. So if you're interested in getting one of these bad boys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on that notification bell so that you won't miss out on any other uploads. I'm going to tell y'all more about this on the end of this video. But for now, look, guys, what you're going to do is simply you got to connect your microphone up to your PlayStation 4 console, and you got to do it the correct way. All right, so the correct way to connect this mic to your PlayStation 4 console, it depends on what microphone you got. I got the I forget the name of this one. That's the name on the side of it. Be Excellent microphone. Got it off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to check that out. But so as you can see on this particular PlayStation mic, it has the USB port. The USB part, and then it has this little cable right here. I don't know what they call it, but anyway, step number one, we simply going to hook this USB part up to your PlayStation 4 console. So here's a little string that came with this microphone. I'm basically going to connect this to this. And as you can see, it's plugged into the PlayStation plug-in right there. And then you got the this part of the microphone is going to go into my PlayStation controller. So I basically just take the controller, and then I'm just going to stick this part right here inside of the controller. All right, that's the first steps. All right, hopefully y'all got that down. Now, once you have that done, you will see that my microphone is now lighting up, which means that it is on and it's connected right now. All right. So what you have to do now is go into your settings on your PlayStation. So check this out. So let me put this camera up here so y'all can see what I do. Okay. Better yet, let me raise this up. Give me a second, guys. Boom. Just raise that up. All right, guys. Hopefully y'all can see that. But anyway, what I'm gonna do now that my microphone is hooked up, all I'm gonna do, let me log out of here. All I'm gonna do, guys, is go up to settings. All right, go up to settings. So I go up, you see this little suitcase here, go into that, and then once you get in settings, you want to go to devices. All right. Once you get up in here inside of devices, you want to go to audio devices, which is right here. All right. So now that you're in audio devices, you will notice it says right there, headset connected to controller. All right. The input. All right. Output device. Headset connected to controller. All right, so what that means is they basically saying that this is the headset that I will be using to play the game. Now, this is the part that everybody came to this video for. You want to know how to get the sound to work and also how you can talk out of it. So what you want to do, guys, you want to scroll down here to where it says output to headphones, and you want to make sure that this is turned on all audio. Put that on all audio, guys. Boom, just like that. All right, once you have that on all audio, you're gonna make sure that volume control, I turn mine all the way up. You can put it on whatever you want, but yeah, basically you want to make sure that this is turned all the way up and not down. All right, just like that. And then go to Adjust microphone levels. Switch output device. So this is where you get to check to test and see if your microphone is working. So as you can see, guys, this mic right here, that's where the volume, as you can see that sound going up and down, that's because this mic is on. Testing, testing. You see? That means that the mic is on. So the mic is on. All right. Now, once your microphone is on, you're gonna want to go back. Well, let's test. You can set it on whatever you want to set it on. All right. Some people turn this all the way up. You know, if you want your mic to be loud, or you could just put it in the middle, right there. All right, now let me hit back. All right, now everything should be working. So now when you go, if you go into your game, whatever game you're gonna play, let's say I wanna play Fortnite. I'm mad I gotta update it. I'm gonna update it. Accept, update. I'm mad Fortnite is updated because I was gonna show y'all how to make sure that the settings is on in Fortnite as well. But anyway, the settings I just showed y'all in this video, this should help your mic work on, you know, help you be able to talk into the mic and then also be able to hear the volume. If you do everything that you just saw in this video, then you should be able to do that, all right? But let me go back since this game is updated. Let me just test a different game. Let me go back. Let me test out. What game to test? Let me test this game out. Shadow of Mordor. So right now, the game is playing, guys, and instead of the volume coming out of my TV, it's now coming out of my headsets. That's probably why you can't hear the TV anymore like you was hearing it at first, because now the volume is coming out of my headset. And also, if I want to talk to people, it's also gonna, all I gotta do is talk into my headset microphones, and you should be able to hear the volume in that as well. I'm still waiting on that Fortnite to download, so I can show y'all what to do next as far as getting the mic to work on Fortnite. But as far as getting your mic to work on ps4, all y'all have to do is what I just showed y'all. But yeah, as y'all can see, the mic is on and everything. Let me show y'all something, bro. Before y'all go, though, let me go back. Go to settings again, because you want to make sure that everything is right. So yeah, the main thing you want to do, guys, go to devices, go to audio devices, and make sure that everything is just how I got it here. See how that says headset? All right, it shouldn't be on this setting right here, which is TV or AV amplifier. You want to take it off of that if it's on that and go to headset connection. All right, and then you can adjust the level again right there. All right, now let me tell y'all, Fortnite is downloading right now, so I'm just going to get to tell y'all about this giveaway that I be having going on my YouTube channel. As you can see, I got these gift cards here. I give away PlayStation Store gift cards. I give away Xbox Live Gold codes, Fortnite V-Bucks. I know a lot of y'all play Fortnite. Give away Fortnite V-Bucks. And as you can see, a lot of these cards have not been scratched off yet. It's the PlayStation one. I'm gonna be giving one of these away at the end of this month. Well, on the 1st of August. So make sure y'all show up to that. How I do my giveaways, I go live on YouTube and I scratch off the codes. And whoever puts it in their console first is the person that get it. Make sure y'all get this video. That's another thing I want to mention to y'all, man. Y'all been supporting this channel so long, man. I just really appreciate it. It's like every video I upload, you guys kill the like button. Y'all be killing it. I'm talking about literally every video I upload, you guys just go crazy with that like button. And I just want to let y'all know I appreciate that. And that's one of the reasons why I do these giveaways, is just to show you guys that, you know, this is my way to give back to you guys, because you guys, y'all be murdering that like button. So I just want to let y'all know, thank you. Got another giveaway going on the 1st of August, so show up to that. Hopefully this video was helpful though, with how to connect how to fix your PS4 mic, how to fix your mic on PS4, whatever. But yeah, hopefully this video was helpful, guys. And if it helped you at all, go ahead and kill that like button like you guys always do. I will be uploading another video soon. I'm waiting for Fortnite to get done downloading, so check back with me. I'm gonna see if I can show y'all how to make sure that all of your settings are correct on Fortnite, so that you can, you know, hear the volume out of your microphone when you're playing Fortnite, and also you want to talk to people on Fortnite. So check back with me. Fortnite is updating. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.